Hello everyone, welcome to online session. Standard 7th Hyperlink Computer. Lesson number 6, using Excel as a database. A database is a collection of information related to a particular subject, such as maintaining the addresses and phone numbers, a list of library books, keeping student records, pertaining academic and co-curricular achievement, keeping employees' information, etc. It helps the user to organize, retrieve, sort, and edit the data as per your requirement. Database consists of fields and records. In a simple terms, records refer to a rows and fields refer to a column in Excel. Field. A column within a database that contains only one type of data is called a field. For example, roll number, name, addresses are the different fields. Record. A row in a database is called a record. For example, in the given figure, roll number, English, Hindi, Maths, total, percent of one student forms a record. Field name. It is a column label for the field in a database. All the field names appear in one row. For example, roll number, name, English, Hindi, Maths, total, percent are the field names. Using a form to enter a data. A form is a dialog box that provides an easy way to enter or display a complete row of information or record. It has text boxes to enter the data in a fields and command button to manipulate the data. Before adding a record in the form, the worksheet must have field names at the top of each column. Microsoft Excel uses this field name to enter records in a form. Form has the following features. It displays one record at a time. It can be used to add a new record and change the existing records. Any record can be deleted. It also helps to view the record which matches with the specified criteria. In MS Excel 2007, forms are hidden. To find the forms, click on the Office button, select the Excel option, click on the Customize tab from the Excel option dialog box. Click on the drop-down list of the Choose Command Form and click on Command Not in the ribbon. Select Form from the display list and click on Add. Click on OK and you will find the Form button on the Quick Access toolbar. Adding a new record in a form. Using the data form, we can add a new record. Follow this step by enter a new record. Click on cell A2, then click on Form button on the Quick Access toolbar. The Sheet 1 dialog box appears. It contains the record of the first student in your database. To add a new record, click on the New button. Type the information for the new record in appropriate text boxes. Click on Close button to close the data form. The new record will be visible in the database. Searching a record. It is used to search the record with specific value. Click on Form button. Click on Criteria button. Criteria will be displayed in the upper right corner of the Sheet 1 dialog box. Type the data that you want to search in the appropriate field. Type 104 in roll number text box and press the Enter key. If the record exists and matches with the given value for the field, it will display. Otherwise, the first record will be displayed. You can move to the previous or next record by clicking on Field Preview and Find Next button. Deleting a record. Form provide the option to delete a particular record. Follow this step to delete a record. Click on Form button. Move to the desired record by clicking on Field Next button or the Find Preview button. Click on Delete button. Excel display a message box for confirmation before deleting. Click on OK and the record will be deleted. Sorting a data. Sorting means arranging the given data according to be a particular field either in increasing or decreasing order in a worksheet. Once the data is organized, it becomes very easy to work with. Follow this step to sort the data. Open the required worksheet and select the data that you want. Click on any cell, say B2. Now click on Sort button in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. The entire database will be selected and the Sort dialog box appear. Select a field, for example, Total from the Sort by List box. Select the largest to smallest option in the Order section. By default, the smallest to largest option is selected. By default, My Data has been header checkbox is selected. Excel usually assumes that you have a header row, for example, the first row of title of your data. If you do not have a header row, you can uncheck this option. Click on OK. The database will be arranged in descending order on the basis of total column. Let's learn the lab activity. To start Excel, click on Start button, All Program, Microsoft Office, Then click on the Microsoft Office Excel 2007. The worksheet is displayed in a screen. Select the worksheet area. Click on the Home tab and change the font. Again, change the font size, whichever you want in your worksheet. Again, go in a cell box. Click on the Format column width. Take 20 or 25 to take a big column. Now click on cell A1. Type your data. For example, type roll number. Use the arrow key to go to the next column and type name, subject like English, Hindi, Maths, and type the total. Use the down arrow from the keyboard to go to the next row. Then type record in a worksheet. This way you can enter all the records whichever you want in a file. When you are typing the records, the text is displayed in the left side and numbers is always displayed in the right side. To continuously you want a number, type first two number and select down. Click on the plus sign and drag the point down to get it in more tab. Every time when you are typing the text, use the keyboard up and down arrow to move your cursor from one place to another in a cell. Like this way you can type all the records, entering the marks in a field. Excel is a very useful command when you are typing the text. It will display big worksheet. You can maintain your address, book and phone number list also. Also library books list, keeping student record, and also you can keep the employee information. After entering the marks, increase the name column width. Select the roll number column and take the align center. Again select English to Maths column and go in a Home tab and take the center align. Select the full table. Click on the format and give the row height 25 or 30. Again click on the Home tab. Use all border. Give the outline of thick border. Again increase your name column width to selecting the column heading. Select the first row, click on the bold and change the color in a font group. Again select the name column and take the center align. To make a total, keep your cursor in a total column of your record. Go in a Home tab, select Auto Sum button. Automatically your range is selecting from English subject to Maths. For example, you are getting the formula is equal to sum C2 to E2. Press the enter key to get the result. Select a row and column and take the center alignment of your total. Now you want to change the color of full table. So select the table range, click on the Home tab and select the Fill Color box and fill the color. Now your worksheet is ready. You can save your worksheet. Click on the Quick Access toolbar, Save button, otherwise Ctrl plus S key to save your document. Note: Number 1. Press Escape key to remove the moving border after you finish copying. Number 2. To move data to any cell, right-click on the selected cell or select Edit, Cut and Edit Paste option. Number 3. You can also move the data using the shortcut key combination Ctrl plus X and Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus X for cut and Ctrl plus V for paste. Number 4. To edit the cell contents, select the cell and press F2 key. The cursor will blink at the end of the cell contents. Thank you.